Welcome back to The Honest Tale. Have you ever struggled to stay focused, even when you know exactly what you want to achieve? You're not alone. In a world overflowing with distractions and constant demands, mental discipline isn't just a nice-to-have skill. It's the key to turning your goals into reality. It's the force that helps you push through setbacks and build the life you truly want. Let me introduce you to Ayan. He's a bright and ambitious student with big dreams of topping his class and making his family proud. At school, he feels inspired by his teachers and motivated by his goals. But let's be real, distractions are everywhere. Friends wanting to chat, phones buzzing with notifications, and the endless scroll of social media calling his name. It's a constant battle for his attention. Back at home, the scene isn't much different. Ayan's desk is piled high with books, a testament to his good intentions. Yet he often finds himself lost in daydreams or falling into the procrastination trap. He knows what he needs to do, but he struggles to turn his grand ambitions into focused, meaningful action. The gap between his intentions and his results feels like a canyon. Ayan's goals are crystal clear: ace his exams, win the upcoming science fair, and secure a scholarship for college. But every single day, he feels like he's being pulled in a dozen different directions. His phone pings with a new message. His friends invite him to play a quick game, and those just one more. YouTube videos promise a few minutes of escape that turn into hours. He'll start his homework with a surge of hope, but soon enough his mind starts to wander. Before he knows it, hours have slipped by, and his to-do list remains frustratingly untouched. This growing gap between his dreams and his daily actions fills him with a heavy sense of self-doubt. He starts to wonder, do I even have what it takes? Will I ever have the discipline to actually succeed? Despite his ambition, Ayan feels completely stuck. He's trapped in a draining cycle of good intentions and scattered efforts, watching his hopes fade as distractions win, day after day after day. It's a feeling many of us know all too well. One evening, after another deeply unproductive day, Ayan is just sitting at his desk, staring blankly at his unfinished assignments. The weight of his frustration is almost visible. His father, noticing his son's distress, quietly comes and sits beside him. Instead of lecturing him, he shares a story about his own struggles with focus when he was a young man. Discipline isn't about being perfect, his father says gently, his voice calm and reassuring. It's not about never getting distracted. It's about choosing what matters most to you, again and again, even when it's hard. It's about making that choice one more time than you feel like it. In that moment, something just clicks for Ayan. A light bulb goes on in his mind. He realizes he doesn't have to wage an all-out war against every single distraction at once. That's overwhelming and impossible. He just needs to start with one small, manageable step. That very night, he makes a decision. He turns off his phone and puts it in another room. He sets a timer on his watch and makes a simple promise to himself. Just 20 minutes. 20 minutes of focused study. As the timer goes off and he finishes his first truly focused session, a powerful wave of pride and hope washes over him, replacing the familiar sting of frustration. For the first time in a long time, Ayan feels the incredible power of his own choice. With this new mindset, Ayan begins to completely transform his daily routine. It doesn't happen overnight, but he starts building momentum. He sets clear, non-negotiable study times. He makes keeping his phone out of reach a firm rule during those blocks. He learns to break down big, intimidating tasks, like studying for a final exam, into smaller, much more manageable steps. Read one chapter, solve 5 problems. Suddenly, it doesn't seem so daunting. And here's the magic part. Each day he starts celebrating the small wins. Finishing an assignment on time? That's a win. Finally understanding a tough concept that's been bugging him? A huge win. Resisting the urge to check his phone for a whole hour? That's a massive victory. Slowly but surely, the old, exhausting cycle of procrastination and frustration begins to fade. In its place, a quiet but growing confidence and a deep sense of satisfaction take root. The results speak for themselves. His grades start to improve steadily. He feels more in control of his time and his energy. His friends and teachers begin to notice the change in him too. They see his newfound focus and his quiet determination. Ayan's dreams no longer feel like distant, impossible fantasies. They feel real, tangible, and completely within his reach, fueled by his steady, consistent progress. Through the power of mental discipline, he discovers not just the path to academic success, but a profound new belief in his own ability to shape his future. The lesson from Ayan's journey is simple, yet incredibly powerful. A disciplined mind, combined with a clear goal, can genuinely change your life. Just like Ayan, you have the power within you to overcome distractions and make real, meaningful progress toward what you want. It all starts with one focused step at a time. So, don't wait for tomorrow. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start, because spoiler alert, it will never arrive. Every single day you delay is a day you could have been moving closer to your dreams. That's a day of progress you can't get back. Take control right now. Set a small, achievable goal. Identify your biggest distraction and remove it for just a little while. Commit to your journey, even if you start small. Remember, the future doesn't just happen to you. It belongs to those who show up and act with purpose. Don't let your incredible potential slip away in a sea of notifications and what-ifs. Start building your discipline muscle today. It gets stronger with every single rep. If you found Ayan's story inspiring, please hit that like button, share it with someone who might need to hear this, and subscribe for more motivational stories from The Honest Tale. Remember, every big dream you have starts with a single intentional step. Stay focused, be kind to yourself, and keep believing in your power to change. Join us next time for another journey of growth and transformation only on The Honest Tale. Thank you for watching.